In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add renter's insurance to Progressive. To get started, head to Progressive using either the website or the mobile app and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, especially if you already have another policy with Progressive, like auto insurance. That helps keep everything connected under one profile and makes the process much smoother. Once you're signed in, look for the option that says Get a Quote or Add a Policy. The exact wording can vary a little depending on whether you're using a browser or the app, but both options are meant to take you to the same place. From there, choose renter's insurance so Progressive knows the type of policy you want to add. Next, you'll be asked to enter details about your rental. This part is important because your quote is based on the information you provide. Start with your rental address, then choose the type of residence, such as an apartment, condo, or house. You'll also need to estimate the approximate value of your personal belongings. This usually includes things like furniture, electronics, clothing, and other items you would want covered if something unexpected happened. After that, select your desired liability coverage. This coverage can help protect you in certain situations where you may be responsible for damage or injury, so take a moment to review the options carefully. After entering your information, Progressive will generate a renter's insurance quote for you to review. Go through the quote closely and make sure the coverage amounts, details, and pricing match what you're looking for. If anything seems off, this is the best time to make adjustments before moving forward. When everything looks right, go ahead and purchase the policy. During this step, you'll also choose the effective date, which is the date your renter's insurance coverage begins. Be sure to select a date that lines up with your move-in date or the date you want your protection to start. Once the purchase is complete, return to your account and confirm that both your auto policy and your renter's policy appear there. This final check is useful because it lets you verify that the new policy was added successfully and is active in your account. And that's it. That's how to add renter's insurance to Progressive quickly and easily.